Here we have it, the 2021 BMW X5 45e M Sport. Nice short name. Took delivery of this about 2 weeks ago. This is the most important bit. Get into the specs and techs for my fellow geeks and nerds out there, including me. I'm one of those. New car alert. I know I don't sound too happy, but this is my happy voice. Unlock it. Plug-in hybrid. 22-inch rims with the M Sport blue calipers, just to give it that bit more of an aggressive look. M Sport badge. These vents, fake. M Sport kick plate. Still got that brand new car smell. That ain't gonna last very long. You've got the panoramic roof. Let's get in. This is the key. It comes with the, well, it comes with that. It's going to be a nightmare trying to do this with one hand, but if you press this button here, let me try and do it with one hand. There we go. I've unlocked it. If you press the button, you get the emergency key, just in case shit hits the fan. With the M badge, what we do is pop the roof. It only opens to that one, it won't open to that one. The sun is blinding me, so I can't even see what I'm recording. Push to start. Car comes to life. Instrument cluster dial. If you can make out, I've had it for about 2.5 weeks. I've done just over 1,000 miles. I've been everywhere. Car was an absolute mess. I've had to get it hoovered, clean, inside, outside, mini valet, just to record this video. You've got sport, you've got hybrid, you've got electric, you've got adaptive, and I've obviously got it on auto hold. Electric parking brake, up and down, make the car higher and lower. You got the iDrive system, brand new to this iDrive system. I'm an Audi fanboy through and through, but I thought we'd change it up and try a new car for a change. You've got all the usual buttons: home, sat nav, internet, maps. Very important button, press sport, turn traction control off. You're gonna have a lot of fun. I haven't done that yet, been too busy doing real life. I didn't opt for the crystal shifter. That is a £500 extra. Got paddle shifters, door bins. I don't know if you can make out, they're relatively big. Secret compartment there. You've got secret compartment there, and then all your control lights. We've got the heating and the AC and all of that usual stuff. Heated seats, winter's there. I have them on max only for a good 10-15 minutes. After that they have to go off because it gets way too hot. It's all touch screen, so if we click on that, obviously I've got nothing connected. Click back to home, and then you can pick the weather. These widgets I've put on there because those are the ones I want. BMW X5 45e 2021, got the upgraded 22-inch alloy rims with the blue calipers. It's a 3-litre petrol. From the petrol side, you got 282 horsepower. Then you've got the electric side, which is 111 brake horsepower. Quick maths, 389 brake horsepower total. Weight wise, it weighs 2.5 tons. Now, saying that, for a 2.5 ton car, 0 to 60, 5.2 seconds, depending on how full the car is, how many people you got in there. Obviously those numbers will change. That's what they've said from the factory, that's what I've read. Regarding the electric battery, we've got a 24 kilowatt hour battery, which they say gives you 54 miles electric range. The battery takes, now hold on to your seats, 7 hours for a full charge. Right. When it comes to price on this car, it ranges from 63 up to 66,000 depending on how you spec your car out. I've gone with the M Sport package. That gives you the M Sport kick plates, the stitching on the seat belts, it gives you the interior lighting, the LED. You can't make it out because it's broad daylight. I'll insert a nighttime driving clip somewhere through this video. You get this pattern along on the interior trim. Let's see what we got in here. Gardening services. Those are your internals. 2 cup holders. They don't heat anything up. You get your USB and your 12-volt cigarette or whatever else you want to plug in there. What else? You get the center console push-in button. Press it. These 2 open up. Butterfly doors, but inside the BMW. Your usual accessories, gum, hand sanitizer. Oh yeah, you can never go wrong with this. Sweet and sour sauce, that's a must. You get the seat, I don't know what you call it, but you get that, whatever the technical term is. Close that up. Let's show you the engine. Out. It says pop that twice. Come up on the dashboard, disappeared now, but let's get to it. This is the first time I'm opening this, so I don't even know. Oh, well that was nice and easy. So there we go, 3-litre petrol with the electric plug-in hybrid. The batteries for this car, they're right at the bottom towards the boot end. All the weight is at the bottom, and it's an XDRIVE as well. Well, it says they eDrive. So it's planted on the ground. If you feel like putting your foot down, which in this, believe me, I've tried it, it gets off. It's a nice mechanical sound. Show you the lights. That's what it looks like with the lights. You got a secret compartment here. That's the commercial plug-in for the hybrid side. I've got the other one you get inside with the 3-pin wall plug that you just plug into your normal house plug. Let's press the petrol release. And there we go. E10, E5 and E25 petrol. Don't go putting diesel in there. We get the visors with a light. You get the SOS, and this is cool the way these come on. So if you turn it on, you get the same lights on the bottom of the door, so when it's dark at night, or this same pattern will occur on the floor under the door. If we press this once, the roof starts to close, and it's closed. And if you press it again, this happens. Sheer darkness. You get Spotify with this car, you get Android Auto, and you get Apple CarPlay. We're not going to go into that topic because that's a whole different video by itself. This car has 3 modes: here, there, and gone.